Good afternoon, girls. Today we are going to discuss volume of cones. We took before the volume of cylinders, and we knew that the volume of any cylinder is the area of the base times height, which is pi r squared times height. This time we have a cone. The cone also has a base of a circle, but the only difference that it has only one base and it looks like a pyramid or a cone here. So the rule will be a little bit different. The rule is reminding us with the rule of the pyramid and how we find the volume of pyramid. So the volume for a cone, it will be also base, also the area of the base. Volume will be also the base, the area of the base times height, but this time divide by 3. That's the rule. So let's see, what is the area of the base? The area of the base is pi r squared. Pi r squared, why? Because it's a circle. And I will multiply it by height and then divide by 3. That's my rule. And that's how I find it. Let's take an example. So like, for example, this one I have here, that's the radius r, and that's the height here. And he wants to find the volume. So the volume will be equal to pi r squared times height divided by 3. Don't forget the 3. If you have a cone, you need to divide by 3. It's very important. Okay, so let's see. The volume, it's going to be pi r squared. I know the r is 3, so it's pi times 3 squared times height, which is 6, and then divide by 3. So let's see here. So it's going to be 9 pi times 9 times 6, and then divide by 3, which is going to be 9 times 6 is going to be 36. Sorry, 9 times 6 is going to be 54. You write 54 pi and then divide by 3. It's going to be 18 pi. And I need you to find it in terms of pi. So the volume is going to be 18 pi. Of course, if you want to find it not in terms of pi, if you want to find it in the normal way, you are going to multiply this 18 times 3.14, which is the value of pi, and you will get the answer is 56.5. So that's how you find the volume of a cone. Let's take another example here. For example, like this one, I will take here A. I have the R is equal to 2 and the height is equal to 7. So let's find the volume. Volume is equal to pi r squared height divided by 3. So the volume is equal to pi times 2 squared times 7 divided by 3. So it's going to be 4 times 7 times pi divided by 3, which is equal to 28 pi divided by 3. If you divide 28 by 3, if you divide 28 by 3, it will be 9.3 repeated pi. And that's the answer in terms of pi. And that's the lesson for today. And that's how you can find the volume of a cone. Thank you very much, girls, for listening.